Last time, we built our first galaxy. Millions of stars moving through space. But hidden deep inside many galaxies is something we can't even see. The black hole. Today, we're going to be creating one. And if you're enjoying this series so far, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps more people discover the video and it tells me to keep building this universe. Now, let's see how a black hole is born. A black hole isn't a giant vacuum cleaner, of course it's not. It begins when an enormous amount of matter collapses into an incredibly small space. The smaller it becomes, the stronger gravity grows. Eventually, even light can no longer escape. And that's when the black hole is born. Every black hole begins with mass. A huge amount of matter is compressed into a smaller and smaller space. As the star collapses, its radius shrinks. But take note, its mass remains. That makes gravity stronger with every moment. Eventually, the escape velocity becomes greater than the speed of light. At that particular moment is when what we call the event horizon is formed. Now, let's see if our simulation gets it right. There it is. The star collapses inward, gravity becomes extreme, light bends around the center, a glowing acceleration disk begins to form, and just like that, we've created our first black hole. Today, we created our first black hole. But the universe is far from finished. Around distant stars, entire solar system are beginning to form. What should we be after the solar system? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see it happen, then please make sure you subscribe and I will see you in the next episode.